creating the perfect NEMA 4 IO29 monitor enclosure. Looking for an industrial NEMA 4 enclosure to house a computer and monitor? Check out the NEMA 4 IO29, which can be installed indoors or outdoors and will protect against dust, dirt, corrosives, and hose-directed fluids. The NEMA 4 IO29 is fabricated out of cold rolled steel and features a tempered safety glass window for a 25-inch monitor, a built-in VESA mount, quarter-turn knob-style compression latches, dual durometer EPDM gasket, a 21-inch by 17-inch subpanel to install electronics, and a built-in recirculating fan. Here are some useful IO29 add-on accessories. Cable entry gland. A sealed cable entry gland is perfect for power sources. Cables can be routed through watertight modules of varying diameters. A compression unit is tightened around the modules for a strong seal. Panel mount door. A custom panel mount door can be fabricated to fit your specific panel mount industrial monitor, including a touchscreen. USB connectors. The USB cable features a waterproof mountable female USB-A connector and a standard male USB-A connector. The waterproof cable is 2 meters long and includes a waterproof cover for washdown areas. Keyboard tray or drawer. A fixed or fold-down external keyboard tray can be added for an industrial keyboard. A heavy-duty NEMA-rated roll-out keyboard drawer is also available. Mounting. A valuable workstation can be created by adding an adjustable bolt-down pedestal, a mobile pedestal, or a universal wall mount. The IO29 is available in blue or gray powder-coated steel, and also in NEMA 4X stainless steel. Still have questions? Call ITS Enclosures at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com, or simply visit itsenclosures.com and click on the Products tab for our full list of iStation products.